Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1973 Dodge Challenger. Very cool car, guys. It's got a healthy 440 engine in it. It's got a Mopar Performance cam. It does have air, disc brakes. 18 and 20 inch black chrome American Racing torque thrust wheels. Pretty car, cool color combination. It's a silver metallic. It's got the black TA stripe. You can see it's got the go wing on the rear. It's got the chin spoilers on the front. Neat car, a little bit of a custom insert in the interior. You can see it's got the RT rear valance. And when we fire this thing up, man, it has got a good sounding 440 in it, guys. Dual sport mirrors. It's got the sport hood on it. It's got a couple thousand miles on a body up restoration that was done about 4 or 5 years ago. You know, you can see little touch up marks. You know, not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. The car is very nice. They've replaced the bumpers, paint slick, the interior's really nice. Like I say, it's got a heck of a drivetrain in it. And it's got a good look to it, man. I love the color combination. Vinyl top's in great shape. Car's got a good look. And it's got the go wing on the deck lid here. Nice and flat down the sides. Got a good muscle car stance to it. It's got BF Goodrich G-Force TAs all the way around it. I love those black chrome wheels. Good looking car. Yeah, this car's just got a good look to it, man. It just looks fast. Front disc brakes. Again, look, healthy 440 Mopar Performance cam. It's got a Demon 4-barrel on it. Stock intake. It's got a nice set of TTI ceramic headers. Power steering, power front disc brakes, and it's got air. It's a classic air system. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. 727 torqueflite automatic transmission. Electronic ignition. It's got the 6-pack air cleaner on it. Good looking car. Air blows cold. Yeah, this is a good looking car. Good solid straight body. Again, it's got actually the stock seats. They just put this gray center insert. Factory dash, bucket seats, console. 41,000. That's actually supposed to be the right miles on the car. Factory dash, got an aftermarket stereo system in it. Dual exhaust, got the RT rear valance, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. See how nice it's painted in the trunk. It looks like it's got the original quarter still on it. It's got an amp mounted up underneath there. Nice car, man. Got a good look to it. Nice and clean underneath. Doors are nice and clean. Seats are really nice. The gauges are nice. It's missing a little Challenger on them. We can probably get that. In fact, I think that was on there when I bought the car, to be honest with you. If it's popped off or somebody needed it more than we did. It's got a mean sound to it, guys. Nice little cam, runs on pump gas. CJ just kicked the air on it, blows cold. This car hits a lick, man. Got a good sound to it. Why don't you go ahead and pin it, Jay? Gauges are all working. They're all functional. It's got both the temp gauges. I'm sorry, that's a temp gauge on the bottom. He's got them both hooked up. Car's got a good look to it. Again, all your gauges are working. Your blower motor in there works. Good sound out the back. Man, that car sounds mean. No on the radio? A little blower motor. It's not, I mean, it looks like it's all hooked up. We'll have it checked. We'll have Steve come over and take a peek at it. I just don't know if we don't know how to turn it on if it's not powering up right. I can see them moving. I think they might be stuck. Yeah. Wipers do work though, guys. They're stuck on a little thing under there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone. Give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, that car sounds good, man.